Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to talk about avoiding digital transformation fiascos. I am Avinash Sabarwal and I am Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. And if you are new here, make sure to click the subscribe button to get notified about our upcoming videos. Badly bungled projects have been undeniable theme of the ICT industry for decades. Digital transformation initiatives can easily join the roll call of the shame if the process and the practices of good governance aren't put in place at the outset. Almost every veteran of the consultancy in the system integrated sector has a war story of a project that they worked on which ran grossly over the budget, was besieged by the bugs, derailed by the stakeholders, or just flat out failed. Today, ambitious digital transformation initiatives have become as unambiguous as multi-million dollar enterprise resource planning projects were a decade or more ago. The price tags are just as high and the stakes are arguably even higher. The very first thing we are going to discuss is people first. How to achieve a return on investment from your enterprise transformation initiative without becoming embroiled in expensive digital disaster. It is simpler than one might think. The secret lies in something that may be counter to notion of automation technology. People, and they matter. If you want to digitally transform your business, building a project team and a wider workforce that's ready for change rather than poised to buck against it is critical. Organizations that fail to do so may struggle to realize the benefit of what is often significant investment in infrastructure, solutions, and time. It all starts with leadership. From business chefs who throw their support behind a push to project managers who are able to explain the benefits of transformation to employees across the enterprise and technology champions whose job is to reinforce the message to their colleagues. It helps if they are aided by a change management team with the experience in guiding organization through periods of significant operational upheaval. Digitization frequently results in long-standing practices and processes being overhauled and discarded. Effective communication and clearly defined transition plan increases the likelihood the exercise is completed effectively. Town hall meetings, workshops, and even regular email bulletins all provide opportunities to discuss the progress of the project, deal with the employee concerns, and garner feedback that can be lead to improved outcomes. Harnessing internal expertise. Treating staff members as valued partners in a transformation exercise rather than stakeholders to be managed can make life easier for transformation teams and increase of the success of the project. Employees' expertise is likely to be prove invaluable, particularly when it comes to capturing and mapping existing process and variations for which undocumented workarounds are used. They are also have insights into which processes are worth keeping and which have become obsolete or rather duplicate across multiple systems. Information that can be used to inform the planning process. And third, making a successful shift to digital. Digitize or die is a catchphrase slash tourism which sums up the position of many enterprises in 2019. As technology continues to disrupt traditional industries and new competitors make inroad on their previously secure customer bases. Making people an integral part of our digital transformation equation ups the odds of achieving an acceptable return on the time and money that the exercise is likely to demand.
Guys, thank you for watching my video. We offer courses, RPA courses in Blue Prism, UiPath, Win Automation, and RPA Business Analyst training. My number is on the screen, and if you like to do RPA training or learn one of the RPA tools like Blue Prism or UiPath, just give us a call or write to us. Call us and ask for our free career consultation. We offer online instructor-led training. So no matter where in the world you are, you can have personalized online training. We offer flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience, which is great for working professionals. We help you achieve RP certification. We assist you with your resume and interview preparation, and we offer placement assistance. We keep on releasing new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.